Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are hanging out downtown Tupelo. So we are about to go check out the first annual Change Tupelo Festival. It is a skateboarding festival. There is like punk rock bands and art and just skateboarding, and I don't know, so we're gonna check that out. We got my brother here with us today. We're gonna show you guys around, and if we see any hot air balloons, because there is a hot air balloon festival going on later today, we will show you guys as well. So I stopped in, got some beer from one of the local bars.
Yep.
Sam went and chased down the Red Bull, keep people.
What?
Did you ask for that?
I said I like your backpack, and then like, oh thanks, dude, want a Red Bull?
Oh my gosh, so the skate competition is about to start, and the rain just started as well. Not good.
A little bit.
Just a little bit. It's like drizzling. So we'll see how this goes.
No!
Yeah, Shane.
Tail grab, shove it.
We want to give him another minute?
Yes.
That's some good stuff happening.
We totally are getting rained out right now. We got caught in the rain, took shelter, and once we had the opportunity, we left the festival. But that did not keep anybody from enjoying themselves. The festival is a full day event, so it started well before we got there, and it's gonna end late tonight. The music kept going, and everybody was having a good time. We enjoyed ourselves. We was there for a solid 3 hours. I think the only thing we would suggest is that they add more food and drink. Some of the restaurants on Main Street were open or partially open, and that was really nice, and most of the places were only accepting cash. There was a restaurant that we went and got a beer from, and you could use your card, and it was fully open, but it was full. And honestly, there could have been more food on the side streets, like food trucks. That would be the only suggestion. Add more food and drinks to the outside. But other than that, it was a super cool event, and I really hope they continue doing it. And you don't have to be a skateboarder to enjoy something like that. And the music wasn't our thing either, but we really, really enjoyed it, and we are so happy that they did that in our town. And yeah, they did a bunch of like donations for kids to get skate gear and all that. So it was a really cool event. And when we left, we weren't quite ready to go home, so we stopped at the local Dairy Cream and got ice cream and food. And now we're at home, and we're gonna enjoy ourselves. Thank you guys for following along, and we will see you in the next one. Bye!